In the previous lecture, we learned about the input element and the types. In this lecture, we're going to learn about the select element. So a select element provides a group of options that can be selected. To define a select element, type select, and then add a select closing tag, and we're going to add a name attribute, and I'm going to say fruits. Okay, now right inside we're going to add another element which is called option, and this is basically a child of the parent, which is the select element. So just add option, and I'm gonna add a value also. But before I add the text to it and the value, I'm just going to copy it, and I'm gonna say on this one, I'm gonna say apples, and for the value, apples. Okay, I'm just gonna paste it in, paste it like, yeah, 3 more times. And on this one, on the second one, I'm gonna say grapes. For the text, grapes. Bananas. For the text, bananas. And the last one, oranges. And on the text, oranges. Okay. So to pre-select and okay, let's just save it and refresh the browser, and there we have it. We can okay, it's not working. Option, select name fruits. Oranges. Why is it not working? Let me see. Okay, it is. There it is. It was just slow. My computer's being slow. Okay, so you can see the options there: apples, grapes, bananas, and orange. And you can choose. You can choose whatever option you need to select. Now, to pre-select an option, simply add the selected attribute. Otherwise, by default, the first option will be selected. Okay, so I'm gonna choose oranges, and I'm just gonna add the selected attribute. That's all we need. Now save it, and let's refresh the page. And now the pre-selected option has changed to oranges. And of course, the value attribute is needed in each option. Okay, so the value is what specifies that option. Okay, now if you want to be able to select more than one option at a time, then add the multiple attribute. This attribute will allow to select multiple options. So on the select element, I'm just going to add multiple as a attribute. And now we should see the box expanded, and there he is. You can choose multiple options. Okay, how can you choose multiple options? Just hit Control key and click. This way you can select multiple options. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about the text area element, which still belongs to a form element.